Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Taurus. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation and your relationship, guys. And I'll be picking one card from the Oracle guidance deck. So we will turn the cards, guys, as we proceed into the reading. So these are for your daily energies, Taurus. This card is for your career situation. I'll keep it here. And this is for your relationship. And one card for your oracle's guidance. So we will open the cards now for your daily energies, Taurus. Yesterday's reading was like a pick a card reading, guys. I hope you liked that reading. Today's reading is going to be different, guys. So we are picking cards for each thing: daily energy, your relationship and your career situation. So for your daily energies, Queen of Wands in reverse, Six of Wands and Two of Cups, Taurus. So in your situation today, guys, you are seeing some movement towards some partnership, some collaborations. It may be a business collaboration, something positive. You are giving and receiving knowledge, or maybe financially, or it may be a close connection with your person, that give and take of love and maybe understanding, intimacy is there today in your relationship, guys, or it may relate to something in your career situation or in your business. And also I see here that you are feeling successful today, victorious. You are enjoying success in certain things. Maybe you are seeing a beginning of something good, maybe a start of some new project or some career move, a business move maybe, or it may be in your personal life. It may also relate to something in your personal life, some kind of success in some path. So you are feeling victorious today. And maybe you should not forget the people who have helped you to work and reach this success. So you need to be aware of those people who have helped you, that a team, whoever are there in your life. So that is also what I see, guys. And maybe for some of you, you may be having a good work atmosphere. People in your work atmosphere, you may feel that they are reliable, trustworthy, and they are also putting in efforts just like you. But some people, they are in their heart of hearts, they may be jealous of you because of your ability, your skills, or because of how you handle your situation effectively. Or it may be people from your family, friends, or your person. So some kind of jealousy, someone is jealous of you, of your situation, guys. That is what I see here, Taurus, with these cards. So these cards may relate to your personal life or your career situation, guys. So let us see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It's Ace of Pentacles in reverse. So with this card, guys, I see that you are going to get unbelievable fortunate things, guys, in your life today. In your situation today, you are going to be extremely lucky, guys. Some unbelievable lucky thing is coming towards you. Maybe it may be in the form of some projects, or some financial deals, maybe business collaboration, something. something simply which you never expected to happen, so that is coming towards you. And also in your situation, maybe the way you work, the way you deal in with people in your situation, or handle your situation effectively, people may see you as you trying to control them or abusing them with your power. So you need to be you have to be really humble. You have to what to say, you have to be really simple in how you handle your situation today, guys. Maybe for some of you it may be the way you are doing your work effectively, but because of your success, people may see you as using as a person who is using their authority over others, trying to control them in some ways. And let us see what is the card for your relationship, guys. It's Four of Swords in reverse. So with that card, guys, in your relationship, in this connection with this person, maybe in your situation you may be expecting something bad, but the way you handle your situation, the effective way, you may avoid that stress or struggles or obstacles in this situation, and you may see that things are going smoothly because of the way you are handling that situation with precautions. Maybe you are trying to avoid certain arguments or certain misunderstandings, so you are going with this person in a very amicable way. You are speaking to them, or you are coming to a understanding in a very amicable way. So you are avoiding some stressful situations, or trying to avoid some stressful situations, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys, for your love energy, Taurus. Let us see what is the oracle's guidance for you. So this was the card we picked in the beginning, guys. Loyal heart, a very beautiful card here, guys. So with this card, it just means that you have a very deep bond with this person. You have that devotion, love and balance and harmony in this connection, guys. And people see you as a very see you both as a very harmonious and balanced couple. You share a great understanding and love, and you have trust on each other, and you rely on each other. And maybe in this connection, when you show that love and trust and honesty and devotion to this person, and when it is reciprocated in the same way, you will be building you will be progressing towards that heartfelt commitments in this connection. And you may feel that this connection is protected, guys, because you are going with that divine qualities in this connection. You are having that trust, honesty and loyalty, and you're devoted to each other. So that is what this card is about. At the same way, in your career situation also, when you are loyal to your plans, whatever dreams you have, whatever aspirations you have, when you are working towards that whatever dreams and aspirations, you will be able to reach that true prosperity in life. And this card denotes that when you are loyal to your true self, whatever decisions that you have made for yourself, so when you are devoted and dedicated to that, you will be able to enjoy success in life. That is what this card speaks about. So whatever choices that we make in life, when we are truthful to that, we will be successful in life. That is the gist of this card, guys. a very beautiful card here, Taurus, and this may also denote that this person you are with, maybe you are made for each other. You have a deep understanding and love with this person. Maybe they are your twin flame soulmate connection, guys. That is the reason we get this card. So that is the reading, Taurus. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Taurus.